Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to go into menu. Now tap on clock. Over here select alarms and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose description. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to. When you're ready, tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and choose repeat. Now you can pick Monday to Friday, everyday or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on it, pick days of the week manually and choose OK. Now choose alarm sound and pick one of those alarms by tapping on the best one for you and choosing apply. But you can also choose alarm sound, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner, choose one of those sources like music and select music from your smartphone by tapping on the best one and choosing OK at the bottom right corner. Now click on apply, and to save your alarm, choose done. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added, but you can turn it off completely by clicking on this icon next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you can do that. You can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete, picking the one that you wish to get rid of, I will go with those two, and choosing delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!